Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Nissan Rogue trunk issues. We'll start by identifying the most common problems that prevent your trunk from opening or closing correctly. This includes issues with the latch mechanism, weakened support struts, and potential electrical glitches. Understanding these initial symptoms is key to a successful repair, saving you time and effort in the long run. Let's dive into the specifics of what often goes wrong. Next, let's diagnose the latch and struts. Carefully inspect the latch for any visible obstructions or damage that might prevent it from catching. For the struts, lift the trunk fully and see if it holds itself up. If it sags or falls, the struts likely need replacement. Also, listen for any grinding or clicking sounds when opening or closing, which can indicate a mechanical issue. Now, we'll troubleshoot the electrical system. Look for any frayed or corroded wires leading to the trunk latch or release button. Test the interior and exterior release buttons to see if either works. Don't forget to check the fuse box for any blown fuses that control the trunk's power. Ensuring a consistent power supply to the latch is crucial for proper function. Finally, here are some repair and maintenance tips. Regularly lubricate the latch and hinges with a suitable grease to ensure smooth operation. If your struts are weak, replacing them is a straightforward fix for safe trunk opening. Adjusting the latch can often resolve closing problems. For more complex electrical or mechanical issues, consulting a professional technician is always a wise choice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.